Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Monster Hunter Wilds error code E1_31C, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make sure that you do not have crossplay disabled, because if you're on PC and your friend is on console, the error code will pop up if you have crossplay disabled if you try joining him. And now the second thing you guys can do is make sure that the lobby you're trying to join is not full, because if it is full, then that will also cause an issue as well. Now once you get that out of the way, the third thing you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam. Look for Steam. Once Steam is open, make your way over to Library and then look for Monster Hunter Wilds. Once you find it, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. And then go ahead and click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly. And then once you hit Verify Integrity of Game Files, and once that's done verifying, you guys should be good to go, and that is basically it. That should fix the issue. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.